Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create, add, and remove a list view button in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize how your team interacts with records and add quick access to specific functions directly from list views. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and select Setup from the drop-down menu. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can customize almost every aspect of your Salesforce instance. Once you're in Setup, look for Object Manager beside the Home tab and click on it. The Object Manager is where you'll find all the standard and custom objects in your Salesforce org, and it's the central hub for making structural changes to how your data is organized. Now, click on the object name you want to work with. For this example, we'll use account, but you can apply these same steps to any object like contacts, opportunities, or custom objects you've created. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Buttons, Links, and Actions. This section lets you create custom buttons that users can click to perform specific actions or navigate to different pages. Click New Button or Link to start creating your custom button. A form will appear where you'll configure all the button's properties. In the label field, type My Custom Button. You'll notice that the name field autofills based on what you type in the label field, so you don't need to worry about filling that in separately. Next, select List Button from the Display Type dropdown. This tells Salesforce that you want this button to appear on list views rather than on individual record pages. From the Behavior dropdown, select Display in Existing Window without sidebar or header. This determines how the page will display when users click your button, giving them a cleaner, more focused view. Now, select URL from the Content Source dropdown. This option allows you to specify a web address that the button will navigate to when clicked. In the text box that appears below, type /lightning/o/account/home. This URL will direct users to the account homepage in Lightning Experience. Click Save to create your button. Your custom button is now created, but it won't appear anywhere yet because you still need to add it to a list view layout. In the left sidebar, click on List View Button Layout. This is where you control which buttons appear on your list views and in what order. Click the drop-down arrow next to the layout name and select Edit. This opens the layout editor where you can add or remove buttons. You'll see two columns, Available Buttons on the left and Selected Buttons on the right. Select My Custom Button from the Available Buttons column, then click the right arrow to move it over to Selected Buttons. This adds your button to the layout. Click Save to apply your changes. The system will process this for a moment, and your button will now be active on the list view. Finally, go to the Accounts tab, select any list view, and verify the button appears at the top. You should see your custom button displayed alongside the standard buttons ready for users to click. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom list view button in Salesforce and added it to your layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.